Hello everyone, today I am back and I am going to show you how to make 3D moving images in HTML and CSS. So first we will go to the code I have already made and I will just tell you how to use it. Here it is, the HTML file. We will edit it with Notepad++. If you don't have any Notepad++, you can use Notepad or any other text editor. Here is the code of some HTML in which I have just written some animations and some code, and I will tell you how we can add animation in 3D pictures. So here is some HTML. First of all, I have made a link which shows the style sheet and style.css. It is another file in which the CSS is applied. Means I have used an external CSS file and I have included it in my HTML code. So here the style.css has been given link to the style sheet, means we can easily use the styles on this HTML file, and the div attribute is used to show how much we take space in our HTML code. Here I have used a div class rotating box in which another class single RB is used, and there are 6 more classes: front side, back side, left side, right side, top side and bottom side. In each classes, I have used the attribute image.source, in which the source I have given the images that are placed inside the documents. And if the alternative is empty, means if the image is not available, it will show the empty side. You can add any other image link to show here. And in the style.css, where we have applied all our CSS, .single.rb div, as you can show here in HTML file, that .single.rb is a class. So we will apply a CSS like position is absolute, which means it will go to the left side on topmost corner, and height is 400 pixels and width is 400 pixels. Same is for front side, back side, left side, right side, top side and bottom side. Transform means it is a built-in function which moves the images. Here translate z 200 pixels means that there is an x-axis, y-axis and z-axis that is towards the viewer or away from the viewer. So it will move the front side to the towards the viewer side or away from the viewer side, and at the back end it will rotate through y-axis, means it will go to the upside or downside, and same for top side and bottom side, it will move and rotate to the x-axis like positive or negative side. So here are some keyframe rotates are used to show animation, and they are built-in classes for animation code. 0% to 100% we can also use here from and to, means it will transform and rotate the sides from 0 to 360-degree angle, and 0 shows the beginning of the animation and 100% shows the completion of the animation. Thank you. So this is the final code and we will run it. Let's run. Moving here in 3D form, and I have already applied some animation, so you can see.